Good morning, dear children. In last class, I have to discuss about multiplication. Multiplication by 1, 2, 3 and 4 digit number. Dear children, open your textbook, page number 45, exercise number 2.7. Arrange the following in columns and find the product. We use columns and find the product. First, I will explain first one problem. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 to 1, 0. How to multiply these? First, in ones place, multiply these. 0 in the any number multiply, the product is 0. 0 in the ಯಾವುದೇ number ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ product ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. After next 1 4 is 4. 1 3 is 3. 1 2 is 2. 1 1 is 1. And next 2 4 is 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Next 4 4s are 16, 6, 1 carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13, 3 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 4 1s are 4. Next adding these 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 1 carry, 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. This is 9, 10, 11, 1, 1 carry, 5. This is the answer of this question. Okay. First, we have to multiply this after ones place, after tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Finally, we add these 4 places. Understood? And next, I can move next problem. Problem number 2. 60,169 into 3. This is easy. Only one number multiply by one number. 3 9s are 27, 7, 2 carry, 3 6s are 18, plus 2, 18, 19, 20, 0, 2 carry, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 3 into 0s are 0, 3 6s are 18. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Dear children, and these exercise I will solve only 2 problems. Remaining problem we do in your classwork. Okay. And next I will move next properties of multiplication. All of you know properties of addition and subtraction, same as the properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. First property is order property. Same addition allu ide, subtraction allu ide alva. Same multiplication also order property of multiplication. What is order property? If multiply by 2 number and their order is changed. If the multiply by 2 number, when the order is changed, even the product is remains same. Multiply by 2 number, 3 into 2. Order will be changed. 3 into 2 is order in madde 2 into 3. But answer is product is remains same. It is the order property of multiplication. Understood? 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. It is if the multiply by two number when the order will be changed and the product will be remain same. It is the property of multiplication is order property. Okay, and next example, 614 into 5 is equal to 5 into 614. Order will be change ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, multiply ಮಾಡಿ 5 4s are 22, 5 1s are 5, 6 7, 5 6s are 30. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ 5 4s are 20, 0 2, 5 1s are 5, 6 7, 5 6s are 30. 3070 is also 3070. Order property of multiplication is the if the multiply by two number when the order is changed but product will be remain same. It is property of order, property of multiplication. Okay, and next property of multiplication is grouping property. Same as addition and subtraction will be there. Grouping property. Next property is grouping property. If two or more number are multiplied, if two or more number are multiplied, when the grouping is changed, even the product is remain same. Two or more number multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ group ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು change ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ but product will be ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ remain same. That is grouping property of multiplication. For example, 3 into 7 into 2, it is also 3 into 7 into 2. If two or more number are multiplied and the grouping is changed, two or more number alba multiply but grouping is changed. 7 into 2 one group ಮಾಡಿದೆ, 3 into 7 one group and the product will be remains same. 3 into ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ 7 2s are 14 is equal to 3 7s are 21 into 2. Again multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3 4s are 12, 2 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. The product will be remain same. It is now about property of multiplication is grouping property. Grouping property in the means of if two or more number multiplied and that group will be changed. First 7 into 2 one group ಮಾಡಿದೆ, 3 into 7 is one group but product will be remain same. It is grouping property of multiplication. Understood? And next property of multiplication is another example for grouping property is second example, 14 into 2 into 7 is equal to 14 into 2 into 7. ಇದೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ 14 into 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28 into 7, 7 4 4s are ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ again multiplication, again this also multiplication, again multiply 4 4s are 16, 6 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 6 9 1, 7 8s are 56, 6 5, 7 2s are 14 plus 5 19. This is the answer of this question. Will be remain same when the group is changed but the product is remain same. That is property of grouping, property of multiplication. And next third property of multiplication, property of zero. property of 0. What is the property of 0? If a number is multiplied by 0, when the product is also 0. In any number multiplied by 0 itself, the product will be 0. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 143 into 0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 into 3 0, 0 into 4 0, 0 into 1 0. The product will be 0. Understood? And next example 5 into 0, answer will be 0. If any number multiply by 0, then the product is also 0. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the product will be also 0. And next, fourth property of 1. Property of 1. If a number is multiplied by 1, the product is number itself. If any number is multiplied by 1, the product will be number itself. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು 1 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the product is also 1. Understood? The product is number itself. For example, 5891 into 1. 1 1s are 1, 1 9s are 9, 1 8s are 8, 1 5s are 5. Answer in bantu the number itself. Understood? If any number multiplied by 1, the product is number itself. Okay. And next, second one. 3891 into 3, no one. The answer is 3891. The product will be same, the number itself. Understood? And next property of multiplication is distributive property. It is new concept, distributive property of multiplication. What is distributive property? First, for example, 3 plus 7 into 5. How to do that? This first, the product of the sum of two number with a third number is remains same. The sum of product of two numbers, sum or difference. The sum or difference of product of two number. The sum product of the sum of or difference of two number. Difference ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 minus 5 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ into 5. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇನೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. 2 number with third number is remain same. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. 2 5 3 plus 2 5 into 5 5 5s are 25. 3 into 2 3 minus 2 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Remains even if two number are multiplied by separated by the third number. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 into ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 5 plus 2 into 5 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 5 3s are 15 plus 2 5s are 10, 15 plus 10 25. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏನು? ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ multiplication. It is also 3 into 5 minus 2 into 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 5 2s are 10. Answer will be 5. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 5 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 5 ಇದೆ. Dear children, don't confuse about this. The product of sum of or difference of two number multiply by a third number is remain same. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ two number with the third number is remains the same. The product of difference of sum or difference of two number multiplied by third number is remains same about the even if two number are multiplied, even if two numbers are multiplied separated by the third number, and even if they after added this, the added or subtracted, the answer will be remain same. Ide separate ide separate idu multiply ಅಲ್ಲ subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇದು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. That is the property of distributive property. Understood? First property of multiplication is order property. When the order is changed but sum is remains product is remains same. Grouping property, grouping is separated by the two group but product is remains same. Property of zero, when the any number multiplied by zero, the number is zero itself. Property of one, if any number multiplied by one, the product is number itself. Distributive property, the product of sum of two number multiplied by the third number is remains same. Even the two number are separated by the multiplied separated by the third number after we added will be remain same. That is distributive property of addition. Dear children, today we discussed about properties of multiplication. Okay, thank you.